We will look around duty free first. I have 2 hours before the flight. Let me check if there is some good deals around. I already have chocolates. Bought it already outside. Here, olive oils. Italian chocolates. Toblerone. 2 4 19. It's cheap. This one here, oh, it's the same. This is nice. Look at this. Italian panettone. I bought already. Over here, some shops over there. Makeup, lipstick. Let's go first and check on the stores outside. Hugo Boss. These are branded. Orla.
Ultima chiamata per il volo Air Serbia 541 per Belgrado.
Going there is Gate A. I'm
Last
going
call
to
for
the
Air
side.
Serbia flight 541 to Belgrade, immediate.
Nice quality bags. Not so expensive. Orla.
Ultima chiamata per il volo Etihad 88 per Abu Dhabi.
This is going to A.
Last call for Etihad.
Now we will go back. It's on the other side, the B. Gate B55 for Taipei. Going the other side. Milan duty free. Let's go to the B. Gate B. And let's take a look what we have there. Prada. It's too much for me, the smell of perfumes. Chanel. Let me see if there's a good deal. There's no sale. Chanel. There's no even a price. Hermes. Givenchy. All luxury brands are here. Victoria's Secret area. Grappa. What is this? Oh, what is that? Sale. Ang lalaki na perfumes. More liquors. Let's go. There are more boutiques around. Oh, another luxury brand. Gucci, Dolce & Gabbana. Wow. Oh, look at that. Dolce & Gabbana. Uso ngayon yung mga bags na maliliit. Gucci store. Hermes is still closed. Giorgio Armani. luxury are here in this wing going to the gate B. That is Hermes over there. Montclair. Oh God. Bulgari. Oh, luxury. Bottega Veneta. Daming luxury brands. You are really in Milan. Fashion stores. Oh, let me see Bottega Veneta. New style of their bags. Saint Laurent. Move on. Enough window shopping. Rolex. I need to go. This one is chocolates. Yummy chocolates. Oh, look at that. Even their packing is very, very luxury. Oh, ganda, look at that. Ooh. Masarap yan, Vinci. Bacio, love at first bacio. Bacio is a kiss. It's an Italian word. You can have drinks here, a breakfast, lunch. Let's go. Another store. Oh, almost there. On the gate. There's a pharmacy inside Milan Airport. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.